If you'd like to upgrade your summer wardrobe and look stylish without breaking the bank, you need this video. Hello, I'm your friend Deirdre, and a big welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50, and I hope you're doing really well. So in this video, I'm going to be showcasing some fabulous and affordable linen shirts that will make you look and feel stylish, and that will be a great addition to your wardrobe, and I'm going to be styling them up. And honestly, I can't recommend linen shirts enough for a chic summer wardrobe, and I've got some lovely ones to show you that won't dent your wallet either. In fact, none of the shirts that I have here in this video cost more than £25, so I think that's about $30. So what makes linen shirts so special? Well, for one, I think they're incredibly breathable, which makes them perfect for hot summer days. They're just light and airy. Plus, they're versatile. You know, you can dress them up or dress them down, depending on the occasion. And I really think that linen shirts have that really effortless charm and timelessness about them. And how fantastic to find these ones that don't cost an arm and a leg, barely even a toenail. So let's dive straight in and show you the shirt that I have on, actually, as I'm pretty much in love with this. So this is my look one. This gorgeous shirt is from H&M. In fact, I'll let you into a secret. All the shirts in this video are from that brand. It's not sponsored, but I just wanted to share with you how H&M produce such high quality and really affordable linen shirts. I'm so impressed. So I thought I wanted to share them with you because I thought you'd love them too. So as I say, this shirt is 100% linen, such a gorgeous vibrant blue. I mean, it's just lovely and a little bit different as it's got that thicker stripe so that you get more of the beautiful color. Now I'm wearing a medium and there's plenty of room in this. I'm 36D for information. And by the way, a lot of you ask about the little tops I often wear underneath my linen shirts so that they create a third layer like this one. So I can definitely recommend this strappy top. Also H&M, a snip at £6, and it's perfect for creating that sort of more fitted look underneath, but you don't see much of it. Now I've styled it up with white linen trousers. These are old ones from Abercrombie, but I think they still sell them. Very relaxed, wider leg, but you can get away with that as there's the vertical lines element, which is very strong to counteract the wider trousers. This is a really relaxed outfit, you know, but because of the fabulous blue colour, I think that it really lifts it to being quite outstanding, but in such an easy way. Now, it can be a runaround outfit, of course, in the summer, or holiday look for sightseeing. Can be really gorgeous for that, and can be worn with flat sandals or dressed up with little heels. Kitten heels look great with this, as you can see here. Okay, let's move on to the second look, and a second linen shirt in my look too. So this shirt and the way that I've styled it, I think is giving a slightly different vibe here. Now, I love the soft light colour of this shirt. This is called light khaki, and it's a linen blend shirt actually, mixed with viscose. It's so soft to wear. It actually makes it easier to iron, which is wonderful. I also love how expensive this look. You know, I think it's that slightly unusual colour. This sort of not one colour, not another, tends to look much more expensive than it was. Now here I've dressed it up a bit by styling it with these go-to trousers that I love and wear such a lot. These are from Goelia, and I really think that a pair of cream tailored lightweight trousers like these are super necessary for every woman's wardrobe. They are just so useful. Now this sort of a look is perfect, I think, for something like a summer lunch or drinks on a nice terrace somewhere. Just imagining that would be just lovely. And another way to style this would be with a white or cream floaty skirt and maybe some light khaki little mesh ballet flats, something like these that I'm showing you now. Now tan as well. I always think that tan is a lovely mix with khaki, especially a light khaki like this. Very elegant but understated, you know. Now this shirt also comes in lots of other colours too, and again they're all priced I think about £20. You know, people sometimes assume that linen shirts, because they're elegant and a natural fabric, will be on the pricier side, but really you can find some great ones for much less, as I'm showing you here. And of course I will link everything below for you underneath the video to look at. Okay, let's move on to the third shirt and the third way of styling that I wanted to show. So this look is a really summery one, I think, with the linen shorts. They're not too short, they're a little bit tailored, but they're still relaxed and a loose, comfy fit. I love the space between the shorts and my leg too, which makes my legs, and yours of course, look thinner than they are. Yay! Now, they're called white, these shorts on the website, but they're more of a cream actually, which is lovely and soft. and they're a blend of cotton, linen and viscose, so that gives them that extra fine look, and it's easier on the ironing again, of course. So the shirt that I'm showing you here is the exact same style as the one that I'm wearing, this blue and white striped one, and it's 100% linen. I just love it. It's that light beige color that you can put with so many different things. Again, very economically priced too. But I've jazzed up the look here. You can wear it any way you wish, really, because it's such a versatile color, but I've jazzed it up here with some gold jewelry so that it's got some interest, a bit of light and shine, as both the pieces are matte material. So I just felt the look needed some kind of different texture, but not too much. Now, I think a light beige linen shirt is not necessarily the first color that comes to mind with a linen shirt, is it? Usually we tend to think of white, which I'm not featuring here actually deliberately, as I wanted to include some different kinds of inspiration for you. Or of course we think of striped too, but a light beige shirt like this, and especially at this price, could be styled in a really chic way, maybe with black or white or navy, olive green, stripes too, so many ways. It's much more versatile than you would immediately think. Now onto my fourth shirt that I wanted to show you in look 4. So here's another striped shirt, but because the stripes are so much narrower and there's much more white in the fabric, it gives a different look altogether from this striped shirt here, I think. Also, I'm styling it here with some fairly light washed jeans. Now a real runaround look, and this little strappy top underneath, same one. Kind of my everyday look actually, but because the shirt is so lovely, linen, breathable, it's not just cool and comfy, it's also elevated too. Now, one of my favorite things about linen shirts is how they can instantly elevate your style without looking too formal or too dressy, you know. And I think this look shows that really well. Now, I also love how this shirt is quite long, so it works really well with slightly more fitted jeans. But because of the stripes, the oversized element isn't too much. Of course, you can wear any of these linen shirts outside your trousers, outside your skirt, outside your shorts, or in. So versatile. And you know, you could easily take this on holiday and wear it as a beach shirt too. So there you have it. Affordable linen shirts are not only very economically priced, but also incredibly stylish, comfy and versatile. You don't have to break the bank to look good, ladies. Now, if you're a fellow linen shirt enthusiast, I'd love to hear about your favorite brands and styles in the comments below. And if you're looking for more fashion tips, particularly on a budget, be sure to check out my other videos too, because I've done loads like that. Now, I will link all these shirts under the video for you, and I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and please do give it a thumbs up and press that free subscribe button, as I'd love to have you join our community, and do share it with your friends. So I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, lots and lots of love to you, and I'll see you in a few short days for more videos. Lots of love. Bye.